Okay, we're here doing the first part of the backyard air suspension fender kit. This is the bracket that you'll take from your old fender. And what you want to do is put it in there, and there's pre-marked holes here. I drilled these just now, but you can see, well, you can kind of see, there you go, where they originally supposed to be. What you do before you drill any holes, put that bracket in there. If you've got a short enough drill bit, before you drill anything, you're going to want to put it on the bike with that in there like that. And this little indention right here sits against, or damn near against, this bar right here like the factory one did. You want to line all that up, then reach under there with the bracket and everything on the fender before you drill holes, and see if it lines up with everything on the outside of the fender struts on that. If it does, then you know you're good. Only thing I would suggest is check right here, because this needs to be flush against here. This one here, this is to help hold the fender in. That there's for your back seat, I believe, your back seat mount. Once you got that done, put it all in there, pre-drill your holes, follow the instructions. Thus far, that's what I've been doing, just following the instructions, and so far, everything's lined up. When you put that in there, what I did was put it in there where I thought it was correct, and see if it lined up with these holes, and it did. So what I did is I got a short drill bit, pilot hole drill bit, and I drilled through the inside out. That, and see, and they lined up. That way I know where I'm supposed to be. And it's that simple. So far it's that simple. I'm going to hit pause for a little bit and come back and see if we get any further. Okay, we got a lot of the holes pre-drilled, all lined up. Got bolts in it, make sure they fit tight. Only thing is the ones I got left, drill out this one, that one, and that one. And that'll be ready to bolt on to the bike. One thing I would say, when you're doing this, I'm going to cut this ugly fucking thing off, but just remember how you took it apart and how everything sat on there like the factory fender. That'll help you a lot. If you have any questions that you're having trouble with, I'll be glad to try to give you some advice. So far, this backyard air suspension and the instructions they gave is pretty fucking cut and dry if you read them all before you do them. It ain't been anything to do this. I will say pilot hole drill everything because it's fiberglass. And don't immediately go up to the size you're supposed to. Stagger your drill bit sizes up to that way you just don't have a chance of cracking your fiberglass. But their instructions are pretty common sense. I will give them a plus for their instructions. Never done one of these before on a VTX. More or less bought one from a kit or a company, and man, this has been pie. This is the rear fender. When I get it bolted on, I will post a video of it. Thank you. Make sure to hit the like, share, comment, and I appreciate your time. Thank you.